All right, welcome back to my fragrance channel. Today I'll be unboxing Oud for Honor and Glory. As I said on my last video, I picked up the entire set. It was a 5-piece set. I got the Oud for Greatness somewhere, or Oud for Glory somewhere sitting in the house. It was pretty good, but today we're gonna be reviewing Oud for Honor and Glory. They say that this is like a creme brulee, creamy vanilla scent. This is definitely gourmand vibes. That's what I heard. I never smelled it before, ever, but today's gonna be my first day. So before that, let me give you the notes. My top notes are pineapple and creme brulee. My middle notes are cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and benzoin. My base notes, vanilla, sandalwood, cashmere, and moss. So you see, we got that nice white bottle, white box, all right? Honor and Glory at the top, the white and gold. It's kind of clean. I rock with it. All right, so let's get to the plastic. All right, we're gonna get right back to it. We opening it. All right, here we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. Nah, Kobe, rest in peace. Boom, is out the way. All right, that's that all white. You feel me? Okay. Now, if it's anything like the last one, you just lift the roof on that. Ooh. Let's see what this is about. Ooh, look at that bottle though. Tell me that ain't sexy. See that Lataffa logo at the top, little Arabic at the bottom. Oud for Honor and Glory at the bottom. You got the little gold plaque. I don't think this gold is plastic, but it looked like gold, all right? Without further ado, let's get this in the air, see what it's talking about. One more. A little strong. It's creamy. It's vanilla-y, if that's a word. It's definitely vanilla. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's okay. It's all right. I don't know where the hype came from. This I would have to wear more, let it settle on my skin. But speaking of putting it on skin, let's put it on my skin. We go right here, up the arm. I wave it off. Okay, the verdict is in. This is solid. I ain't saying I'm blown away. I ain't saying it's a 10. I ain't saying it's perfect, but it's a solid. It's something you just grab real quick if you want to smell good for a minute. I ain't saying wear this on your birthday or no special occasion, but this is solid. Definitely gourmand vibes. Definitely you're going to smell like a damn vanilla souffle. Now, all of these are $20 each. All of them. They're about 20. No more than $30 for any of these. I caught these in a 5-pack. I believe it was like $90, $80, I think it was, in a 5-pack. So I came up. Shout out to TikTok Shop. With that said, thank y'all for watching my fragrance channel. I'll be back with another video. Next time, we're going to just check out this bad boy right here, all right? Bade'e Al Oud. We're going to check out this one. This is Amethyst. Amethyst. I hope I'm saying it right. This is the one we're going to open next, all right? Amethyst. All right? Thank y'all for watching.